Now, braided wigs get a bad rap, but let's be real. Most of them, the hairline looks so unnatural, you could spot it a mile away. But this one made me do a double take. Now, there is a caveat, so make sure you watch this all the way through to form your own opinion. Okay, y'all, so this beautiful wig I'm going to be showing you guys today is from RPGHair. And it is a 360 unit that comes with one of those adjustable drawstrings, which I think is gold. Now, this is the first braided wig that I've used that had this capability, and I can tell you that it fit me chef's kiss. Now, let's get into those knots. Now listen, when I first opened the box, I was a little nervous because the knots did look over bleached. I ain't gonna hold you. But then I put it on the mannequin head and it was just giving natural. So now I'm like a little confused, like, wait, is this really over bleached? We're going to get a little bit more into that in a second. But first, the second thing that I noticed when I pulled out this unit was that it had a smell. It smelled like, I don't know, seasoning. It's a smell I'm not familiar with. So I got some of that hairspray that I pick up from TJ Maxx. It's like a hairspray perfume. And I sprayed it on the unit and it was good to go. So let's go ahead and install this unit. Let's put it on. So when I first put it on, not gonna lie, after I put it on, it was looking real natural. So I was really confused, right? Because I'm like, yo, in my hand, it looks over bleached, but on my head, it looks natural. So I said, let me just go ahead and install it. Maybe they onto something. So at first I went and I cut a little bit of the baby hair. Now, initially I started cutting the lace using my regular scissor. And then I remembered, let me go get my jagged scissor. This will make this a lot easier and make the blend a lot nicer. Girls, if you don't have this, you need to get it. I have it linked in my description box. But anyway, let's go ahead and put the unit back on again. Now, as you guys can see, the lace is a lacing and I didn't even do anything as far as blending yet. And it's already starting to come to fruition. Let me let you see what it looked like from the back really quickly. And I was first trying to figure out what I was going to do with this baby hair. But I said, okay, let me go ahead and just install it, lay it down with some hairspray first, and then I'll figure it out later. But guys, look at this. Now, there are a couple of braids that I will have to cut off around the ear. But can y'all see how nice this is blending? And I didn't even do the install. So let's go ahead and do the install. So I took my hairspray and I sprayed it on my forehead. You know, got my blow dryer and pressed it down with the back of the comb. This install was super easy, guys. And for the middle part, what I did is I took some of the hairspray and I sprayed it in the cap. And then I took my makeup brush and applied it along the hairline. This allows me to be a little bit more intentional where that hairspray lands. And I did that all around the perimeter. And then, of course, as always, use the back of my comb to lay it out. Now, they do include a melting band with the hair, so that's very good. Now, before I go any further, I did want you guys to get a real close look of what the knots look like. This is with me not having no makeup on and just kind of giving you just a close up of what the knots look like in real life. Because I do believe that these knots don't translate well on film. If you ever looked in a mirror and then taken a picture with an iPhone, and your eyes are seeing both images, but for some reason they don't look the same, you should know what I'm talking about. Guys, I have to come and talk to you personally right now because I know y'all saw me install this wig. And I know I installed this wig because I was here when I did it. But baby, what wig? Nah. RPG 8 with this one. And to think this is their first time doing a braided wig, I am speechless. This have to be the easiest wig install for braids that I've done so far. I'm hoping it translates well on film, because in person, baby, this is the one, not the two. And it's lightweight, not heavy on my head. And you can style it like how you would regular braids. Now, I ain't gonna try to style because y'all don't come to me for styles because I don't do much, okay? I keep it simple, baby. You know what I'm saying? Girls, I threw it in a half up, half down. I tried. And you can pull it up. It's a 360, so you know you can pull it up and wear it in the ponytail. Let me check. I didn't do nothing with the back. I hope my kitchen's not showing. Hold on, let me turn around real quick. My kitchen was showing a little bit, but y'all could spray it down if y'all want. I was going to attempt that half up, half down again, but I gave up. And best of all, this unit is flat. Flat, flat, flat. This is a wig for anybody. You guys saw, I didn't do nothing. I didn't even do my baby hairs. I planned on doing baby hairs, but I didn't. This is just how it is after I took the elastic band off, and since it's giving scalp, I'm gonna just leave it alone. And as far as these boho curls, if they come out, this is human hair, so what you can do is just take like a barrel curling iron and just wand and just like wand curl it to your liking. You can make it as tight or as loose as you want. Now, if you want to use some concealer in the parting space to darken the parting space if needed for your complexion, by all means, go ahead. I personally like the way this looks. My natural parting space is lighter than my complexion, and I'm not really sure how it translates on film. I mean, look at this. Come on now. You cannot tell me I ain't sit in the salon for 6 hours and get this hair braided, okay? And if you do, you're doing too much. And before you even ask, yes, it is available in black, and I think it might be available in blonde as well. I'm not really sure. Everything's gonna be linked in the description box per usual. Now, if you want to spray the back down, you can. This wig is fitting perfectly because it has those adjustable drawstrings. This is perfection. And it's a 360, as I mentioned earlier. So you could move this wig around however you want. The purchase links for this unit, y'all already know the drill. It's in the comment section down below, and I'm definitely gonna need y'all help naming this beauty. Go ahead and leave your best name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed on the screen. Dolls, if you're not already part of the faithful fam, hit that subscribe button and join the family. And guys, if you haven't already seen it, I have been switching up my content. I am expanding the category for the content that I'm creating. So be sure to check out my channel and check out my shorts and my other videos to see what your girl been up to. And if you've seen it, please leave me some feedback in the comment section down below. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.